St. Kentigern of Glasgow, January 14th. Born under extraordinary circumstances, St. Kentigern established the church in Strathclyde, enduring exile before returning to shepherd his flock and spread the gospel. St. Kentigern, known also by the affectionate name Mungo, lived in the 6th century as an apostle to the British kingdom of Strathclyde. He founded and served as the first bishop of the city of Glasgow. His life began with extraordinary circumstances, and he was raised within a monastic community, later dedicating himself to missionary work, enduring a period of exile, and returning to continue his labor. He remains a significant figure in early British Christianity. His repose is commemorated on January 14th. Kentigern was born around 518 AD. His mother, Princess Theneva, also called Enoch, was the daughter of King Loth of the Gaudadin tribe, a pagan ruler. Princess Theneva faced banishment, cast adrift in a small boat upon the Firth of Forth. Through divine providence, her vessel landed safely at Culross. There, she gave birth to Kentigern. A Christian hermit, Saint Cerf, provided refuge for mother and child. Saint Cerf baptized the infant and undertook his upbringing, imparting to him the foundations of Christian faith and ascetic life. It was Saint Cerf who bestowed upon the boy the name Mungo, meaning my dear one. As Kentigern matured, he departed from Culross. He sought a solitary life, establishing himself as a hermit at a location known as Kethers, situated by the Molendinar burn. His dedication to prayer and asceticism became known among the people. The king and clergy of the Christian kingdom of Strathclyde recognized his spiritual stature. They chose him to be their bishop. Kentigern received consecration from a single Irish bishop, following the custom prevalent in Celtic lands. He established his church and a substantial monastic community on this site, which over time developed into the city of Glasgow. A period of trial arrived for Kentigern and the Christian community. A pagan faction, led by King Morcan, gained ascendancy in Strathclyde. This political shift compelled Kentigern to depart his see and seek refuge. Around the year 565 AD, he journeyed south into Wales. There, he found hospitality with Saint David at Menevia. During his time in Wales, Kentigern did not remain idle. He established his own large monastery at Llanelwy in North Wales. This foundation grew to become a prominent center for learning and the propagation of faith in the region. After a period, the political landscape in Strathclyde shifted once more. King Ridert Hale, a Christian ruler, defeated the pagan forces at the Battle of Arthuret. King Ridert Hale then extended an invitation to Kentigern, requesting his return to the episcopal seat in Scotland. Kentigern prepared for his return. He appointed his disciple, Saint Asaph, to succeed him as abbot and bishop of Llanelwy. With this succession established, Kentigern traveled back to Strathclyde, resuming his pastoral duties. Upon his return, St. Kentigern re-established his episcopal authority in Glasgow. He undertook extensive missionary journeys, proclaiming the gospel throughout the kingdom of Strathclyde. His travels extended into the regions of Galloway and Cumbria, bringing the Christian message to new communities. During this period, a significant encounter occurred. St. Kentigern met St. Columba of Iona. The two holy men exchanged pastoral staves, an act symbolizing mutual respect and the unity of faith between their respective Celtic, British, and Irish monastic traditions. St. Kentigern is also remembered for specific miracles, which attest to God's grace working through him. These 4 miracles are depicted on the coat of arms of the city of Glasgow. First, a pet robin, cherished by Saint Cerf, was killed by envious classmates of Kentigern. Through his intercession, Kentigern restored the bird to life. Second, the holy fire at Saint Cerf's monastery had been extinguished. Kentigern, taking a frozen branch, miraculously rekindled the fire, demonstrating the power of God over creation. Third, he brought a bell from Rome which had been given to him by the Pope. This bell served as a symbol of his apostolic authority and his connection to the broader church. Fourth, Queen Langworth had lost her wedding ring, placing her under suspicion from the king. St. Kentigern commanded a fish to be caught from the River Clyde. When opened, the lost ring was found within the fish, thereby exonerating the queen and averting the king's wrath. St. Kentigern reposed in the Lord at an advanced age, around the year 614 AD. He was buried on the ground of his monastery, the very site where Glasgow Cathedral now stands. a testament to his enduring legacy and a place of veneration for the faithful. His life of asceticism, missionary zeal, and pastoral care established a strong foundation for Christianity in Scotland.